for the 305. 364, bitch, we live. Dade County, my city, my home. Vibing and juking and in my zone. I'm from the bottom of the map. If you slip down, here's a rap. My city multicultural. Even though we act bipolar. Americans, Spanish, Haitians, Jamaicans, Bahamians, Arabs, Indians, and Asians. Candy paint on the Donk. Trunks full of funk, big Cuban link chunk. Home of the sunshine, where the women down here be too fine. You could go anywhere in the world, but it ain't no city that's like mine. Dade County. Alright. M-I-A-M-I. Dade County, my birthplace. I celebrate my dog birthday like it's my birthday. It's my dog birthday. It's my dog birthday. The hard times what made me a hustler. Bad, we don't fuck with busters at all. If you ain't spending no money, then a big booty bitch ain't fucking. I done been over there. It's cool, but it's love over here. I leave, but I come right back to the crib where it's comfy at. Cause they don't cook food like us, and they don't rock drip like us, and they don't party after hour like us. 2 o'clock shut down, not us. Nah.